wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I'd like to introduce myself and then I'll give a little bit about the goal of the training was taken 3 days ago. Well, my name is Sahidin Surah. I am an English teacher at Vocational High School Bina Informatika Ternate City, North Maluku Province. After I had attended the training webinar online about how to communicate and teach for effective online learning, which is held by AIM Institute from India and collaboration with several education institutes, I knew the great deal and got a lot of experience and something new and new knowledge special for online teaching learning. The online seminar was taken as long as 3 days, so it could help me to improve my teaching method. And I am sure that I could be able to apply this well to my students when I teach English in the classroom, not only for online teaching learning but also for offline teaching learning. I do hope that after I cut this material, I'm able to apply it to my classroom perfectly. So I'm going to apply my teaching method. For example, when I teach English grammar or listening, I'll give the method based on the role I had already got it. So hopefully the students get more easily to understand my teaching method. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.